welcome back to Wendy's World. So in this particular tutorial, I am going to unbox the iPhone from Wish. Now it took me about a couple months to get these products, and products meaning it was several different things that I got from Wish, one of which is apparently the iPhone, and it is a free gift. Now I haven't been uploading as much as I normally do, and the reason being is I am moving. So I'm just going to show you what my place looks like right now. It is practically empty. I had it beautifully staged, and they just picked up the furniture today, and I was a little down because, as you know, when you live with no furniture, especially coming, to the fact that it was gorgeous and now it is the way it looks, gets a little down. So I thought, what am I going to do? How am I going to lift my spirits? And this is what I decided to do. I decided to shoot another video. So here we are. This is the package that I got in from Wish. It took about 2 months to get. And, well, let's see. Oh yeah, I'm moving. And I have a video. I have been shooting several videos about the process of moving and where I'm moving to. But I'm going to send that to you soon, Beauties, when I get to my new destination. So I guess this is the iPhone. This is the package for the iPhone, and I got a whole bunch of other things. I actually purchased a product. It's a lights for the cell phone when I am shooting my YouTube videos, and a couple of other freebies, and we will see what these are like. So iPhone. When I saw it, I thought free gift, right, but why not? Let's see what it is like. Holy crap. Wow. Okay. So, took about 2 months to get this, and I am unpacking it. Oh, you know what? Look. It's crunched a little, so, that doesn't look good, does it, you guys? Uh-oh. If it's an actual iPhone, that's not a good thing, Wish. Alright. Oh my god. It's taking a while. Oh no, actually, you know what? It's not the iPhone. It's the light. Oh shit. I can't believe they did this to my light. So this is, so where's the iPhone? The iPhone's not here. Oh wow, so much for that. I am unpacking this then, and this is really crappy. Look at this. Check this out, you guys. This is really crappy. Where's the iPhone? This isn't it. This isn't it. Okay, no iPhone. Okay, so this is the light for my cell phone when I shoot my YouTube videos. Shit, like look at this freaking packaging. My God. People. This is, anyway, it looks pretty good so far, but really unimpressed with the way, the condition of how it arrived to me. So, chose the white, and I like white. Actually looks pretty good. Alright, so this is the light itself. And, oh, I kind of like this part. Look at this. This is cool. All right. Oh, nice. So then you can attach this to various surfaces. I guess, let's see how wide it goes. It's not bad. It's a nice clamp. All right, cool. It's actually pretty cool, eh? And then this. Okay, it's got another clamp. That's cool. I'm going to plug it in. Oh, I gotta plug it into it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. Does it work? It better work, man. Oh, so far I can see something's working. On, off button. It works! Yay! That's cool. What do you think? What do you think about the lighting? I'm going to turn it off. It's nice, eh? It does light up your face. That's pretty cool, eh? It didn't cost too much. I'll put in the cost in my description box. So it has a plus sign. I imagine that means it goes a little brighter. It's hard to tell. I'm in sunlight in my condo right now. Then there's an arrow. Oh, softer. Nice. Oh, this is pretty good, you guys. Look. Oh, I kind of like, oh no. Gives me a little bit of a tan, eh? Oh, what do you think? That light looks pretty good, eh? Wow. I am impressed. So check this product out. I will link it in my description box. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty sure it was very reasonable, and I got it from Wish. So thank you so much for joining me on Wendy's World. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe, people. You know you want to, and just click on the like button. Thanks so much for joining me on Wendy's World. I will see you next time on my next tutorial. Maybe it will actually be the iPhone I'm unboxing. Take care. Bye for now. Oh yeah, I forgot to, silly me, I forgot to show you what's actually in the other packages. And these are the freebies. Like my hair color, I just colored it and I just got it cut. It is a blunt cut. Actually, no, not blunt. It's called a bob cut. I don't even know why they call it bob. It's not like it looks like a bob. Okay. What is this? I can't even remember. It's been 2 months since I ordered all this stuff. Oh. I think it's another clamp for that light that I got. That's pretty cool. So this is not the freebie, it's part of the lights for the cell phone. Okay, put that away. Let's see what else I got. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I think it's to do with, it's for my bicycle. This is actually kind of cool. So, sorry. Okay, so I put this on my bicycle, and you can hold your cell phone in it. It doesn't actually look like, so you clamp it onto your bike handle, and you put your cell phone in this. It doesn't really look like you could, anyway, that's one other thing. And then this is, I don't know, let's just see. Oh, this is for a cell phone, and I don't even remember ordering something like this, but anyway, this is kind of cool, I guess. It is transparent. Oh, okay, so this will be for my cell phone, and this was a free gift. That's not bad. It's kind of cute, eh? Therefore, you can see the back of your cell phone. And that's one of the things that I don't like, is the fact that you get these covers and you can't see the back of your cell phone, and you picked the color of the cell phone specifically, you can't even see it. So this is actually pretty good.